Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find jobs on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the top, you're gonna see Search Services option. Tap on it, then type in jobs and tap on search. Once you do that, Fiverr is going to suggest you the available jobs. Then go ahead, look for the jobs suggested on your screen, and you can also sort by tapping on all. Then you can see you can add category, you can add industry, your experience level, job type, and service includes. Select all those options given on your screen, then go ahead and tap on show results. Then it will again suggest you by filtering based upon your categories, and just go ahead and explore the job that you want to apply. And guys, that's it. That's how you find jobs on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.